All right, guys, so let's finish off on the bottom because you just finished the graphs. Let's go ahead and start in a word problem. In a word problem, you're really looking for the starting point. Look for starting points, and you'll see what I mean as soon as we read the problem. Starting points. Remember, you're looking for when the x value is 0. Starting point or the initial value. Or the initial value. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for the starting point or the initial value. That would be your y-intercept. Because like when we started a table way up here, if you notice, like let's say, for example, this one 0 and everything continued down once we found it. This one on the x, we started at -2, but then we hit 0 and it continued. In a word problem, we usually start with 0, not all the time. Sometimes, for example, like if I bought a pizza at Little Caesars pizza would be $5, and I haven't bought any pizzas, so at 0, when I buy 0 pizzas, it would be $0. But sometimes we start with you have $5 in the bank and you you deposit $20 every week. You originally started with 5. So we're always looking for your starting point or your initial value. So all we're going to do is read our stories real quick and then find our y-intercept based off of the story. Mary is currently 50 feet from the ground. She is climbing the mountain at a rate of 3 feet per minute. How long will it take Mary to be 68 feet from the ground? Now, right here, guys, we're not answering the question. All I want to know is, where did Mary start? What is her starting point? What is her y-intercept? If we were going to graph this, where would Mary be starting at time 0? So if we look at this, I really don't care where Mary is at 68 feet. I just want to know, where does Mary start to begin with? And if you look at the very first sentence, it says Mary is currently at 50 feet above the ground or from the ground. Right here, your y-intercept is 50. That's where she starts. It's that easy, guys. Jennifer is creating her own medium pizza. The cost of a medium pizza is $6 plus 50 cents per topping. I want to know how much it's going to cost Jennifer to start with a medium pizza. Let's say she puts no pepperoni, no jalapenos, no sausage, nothing on it but cheese. How much will it cost her? How much will she cost for just a plain pizza? If we read it, cost of a medium pizza is $6 plus 50 cents per topping. I don't care about the toppings. My pizza is going to cost $6. That is the starting point. My pizza will get more expensive after that. Roberto is a plumber and he charges $12 per hour plus a service fee of $25 to make a house call. So how much is Robert going to get paid just to show up at the door? Well, he gets $12 per hour. I don't care about the slope right now. I don't care about how much he gets paid per hour. I'm just looking for how much is he going to charge me just to come to my door. A service fee of $25. That's what the price is going to start at, plus whatever you have to pay him for each hour. It's that simple. So if you call Roberto over to fix your bathroom, he's going to charge you $25 just to get there. And then if he stays for 1 hour, you have to add $12 to that. If he stays 2 hours, then you got to add $12 plus $12. You got to add per hour, but his base salary or his base payment, base total is going to start at $25 and everything goes up from there. And the last one is Little Caesars charges $5 per pizza. So this one's an easy one. If you notice, all the other ones had extra information. They told you that it started at 50. They told you it started at 6. They told you it started at 25. This one doesn't tell you anything. So if it doesn't tell you any other information, it starts at 0. It starts at 0 because in this case, you haven't bought any pizzas from Little Caesars. So you would have a table that looks something like this. You would have number of pizzas. And over here, you would have cost. So we can make a table. What if I buy 0 pizzas? What if I buy 1 pizza? What if I buy 2 pizzas? What if I buy 3 pizzas? And so on, right? So if I buy 0 pizzas, At Little Caesars for $5 each, I'm going to pay $0. If I buy one pizza, it would have been $5. Two pizzas, $10. Three pizzas, $15. Four pizzas, $20. And so on. Just depends on how many pizzas you purchase. But the part of this is, it starts at zero because you haven't spent any money on pizzas if you didn't buy any pizzas. And right there, you can see it's 0, 0. Therefore, that would be your y-intercept. So right now, the substitute is going to give you a little paper. It's really just on tables and graphs. Should take you like 10 minutes at the most. Good luck on your assignment. Make sure you turn in your y-intercept and your slope triangle practice today before you leave, and I'll make sure Mr. Seta gets your grades. Have a great weekend. Thanks, Braves. Bye.